Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the specs of the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro with that of the Oukitel WP200 Pro. While both are built tough, you're going to see some very distinct philosophies emerge. One is the absolute king of niche features and battery. The other is surprisingly sleek for a rugged phone and packs a punch in performance. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So let's start with what you immediately notice: the size, design, and weight, because these are rugged phones and they are not subtle. The Armor 34 Pro is an absolute behemoth. You're talking a thickness of 32.7 millimeters and a staggering weight of 825 grams. The device is built with PC plus aluminum. PC means polycarbonate, giving it that industrial robust feel. The Oukitel WP200 Pro, on the other hand, is a surprisingly slim and light contender in the rugged space. It measures a mere 13.7mm thick and weighs 311 grams. That's a dramatic difference. It's still a tough phone, but it's significantly more manageable for daily carry. So right off the bat, if portability is a major concern in your rugged phone choice, the Oukitel has a huge advantage here. Now for ruggedness certifications. Both are built like tanks, but let's see the specifics. Both the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro and the Oukitel WP200 Pro boast IP68, IP69K, and military grade standard 810H certifications. This means both are highly resistant to dust, water, and can withstand drops. Now, specifics for water resistance. According to Oukitel, the Oukitel WP200 Pro can be submerged up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, while Ulefone mentions up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Both have a 1.5 meter drop resistance. Operating temperature ranges are also slightly different. Ulefone handles -30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, while Oukitel specifies for the Oukitel WP200 Pro 0.20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. So Ulefone has a slight edge in extreme cold tolerance, but overall, for day-to-day rough and tumble, both are incredibly durable. Moving on to the display. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro sports a 6.95-inch IPS LCD display with a 1080 by 2460 Full HD Plus resolution, 387 ppi density, and a 120Hz refresh rate. It has a 600 nits peak brightness and 10-bit color depth, while the Oukitel WP200 Pro has a slightly smaller 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, giving it 394 ppi. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate, 500 nits peak brightness, and boasts a very high 91% screen to body ratio. Importantly, it's protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The Armor 34 Pro also has Gorilla Glass protection, but currently the exact version of Gorilla Glass is not disclosed. Under the hood, let's talk performance and memory. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm processor with a 2.5 GHz clock speed, paired with the Mali G615MC2 GPU. It comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage, expandable up to 2TB, and it supports up to 12GB virtual RAM. While the Oukitel WP200 Pro packs a punch with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 4nm chip with a 3.1 GHz clock speed, and it's paired with the Mali G610 MP6 GPU. This is a significantly more powerful chipset. For memory, the Oukitel comes with a whopping 24GB RAM and an immense 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. However, a key point here is that Oukitel specifies no storage expansion supported, while the Ulefone supports up to 2TB of microSD card. So for raw processing power, gaming, and overall speed, the Oukitel WP200 Pro is the clear winner with its Dimensity 8200 and faster UFS 4.0 storage. But if you need more than 1TB of storage, the Ulefone's expandability becomes crucial. The camera department often sees compromises in rugged phones, but let's compare. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro features a versatile triple rear camera setup led by a 50MP main sensor, followed by a 64MP night vision camera with 4 IR lights, for infrared lights, and a 50MP ultra-wide angle lens. It records 4K videos at 30fps, and its front-facing camera is 32MP. The Oukitel WP200 Pro has a triple rear camera as well, led by a 108MP main sensor. It is the Samsung HM6 sensor, followed by a 2MP macro lens and a 0.3MP depth sensor. The device records 4K videos at 30fps as well. Its front camera is also 32MP. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro's camera system, with its dedicated night vision and ultra-wide, is arguably more useful and versatile for the rugged phone user, despite the Oukitel's higher main sensor megapixel count. Now for battery and charging, a major battleground for these devices. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is the absolute king here, with its 25,500 mAh battery and 66 watts fast charging. It offers a staggering 1,380 hours, which is about 57.5 days of standby, and 138 hours of talk time. While the Oukitel WP200 Pro has an 8800 mAh battery, which is still very large compared to mainstream phones, but pales in comparison to the Ulefone. It supports 45 watts fast charging and claims 47.5 days of standby time and 52 hours of talk time. Both devices support reverse charging. So no contest here, guys. The Armor 34 Pro is the unchallenged winner for battery capacity and longevity. If multi-week usage without a charger is your goal, the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is the choice here. The Oukitel is still good, but not in the same league. So for connectivity and OS, both phones support 5G networks, dual nano SIM, NFC, GPS and other essential navigation systems, USB Type-C and OTG. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro has Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 and runs Android 15. The Oukitel WP200 Pro also has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 and runs Android 15. Essentially, they are very similar here, with the Oukitel having slightly older Bluetooth and Wi-Fi standards, but still very capable. Lastly, the unique features and sensors. This is where the personality of each phone really shines. The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is packed to the brim with its unique features, including its 150 lumen autofocus projector, which is a huge differentiator, followed by its 1200 lumen LED versatile lights with 585 LEDs, which is incredibly powerful, along with the specific warning light app with simulated police lights and sounds. It also has a U-Smart expansion connector for specific accessories, a dedicated camera key and a custom key, comprehensive digital toolbox, barometer and arrow blaster, physical speaker with 96 decibel loudness, and headset-free FM radio. Now, while the Oukitel WP200 Pro, while more streamlined, still has its own features, including an under-screen fingerprint sensor, which is a premium feature rarely seen on rugged phones, a standard array of sensors including G-sensor, proximity, ambient light, compass, gyroscope. Ulefone also has the sensors, a digital toolbox similar to Ulefone but not specific. So there you have it, guys, the Armor 34 Pro versus the Oukitel WP200 Pro. So the choice is clear. Extreme utility, battery and specialized features, go for the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. Top tier performance, sleekness and massive internal storage, the Oukitel WP200 Pro is your pick. So which of the two devices do you prefer? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.